Good morning. As we are in pressure chapter, the pressure exerted by solid is explained to you. Next, I am going to explain the pressure exerted by fluids. Fluids means the substance which can flow. That means the liquid and the gases are known as fluids. So these liquid and gases both exert pressure. So first about the pressure exerted by the liquid. All the liquids have weight. So when we pour a liquid in a container, then the weight of liquid pushes down on the base of the container or vessel. So we say that the liquid exerts pressure on the base of the vessels or on the wall of the vessels. Pressure exerted by liquid depends on the depth of the liquid. That means as we move down along with the container, the depth increases. And as the depth increases, the pressure also increases. The pressure created by liquid, it depends on depth, and as the depth increases, the pressure exerted by liquid, it also increases. Here you can see an activity. One container is there. Take a container and make, or plastic container, make 3 holes at 3 different heights. Then cover these holes with a cello tape. Now pour the water into the container and remove the tape from all the 3 holes. What you will see, that the water from the first hole, it flows closest to the container. From the second hole, it moves further, and from the third hole, it moves very far from the container. That means the force created by this hole, which is near to the bottom, is more. These indicates that, or these proves that pressure is more at the bottom and it is less at the top. That means it increases with depth. Next activity to demonstrate that a liquid exerts equal pressure at equal depth. Take a container, make 2 or 3 holes at equal distance of the container. That means at the equal depth, make 3 holes. Again, cover it with cello tape. Then fill it with water. Now remove the tape. What we will observe? We will observe that the jet of water coming from the holes, it will travel the same distance from the container. That means the pressure exerted at equal depth is equal, and so it falls at the same distance.